Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. Today I have a CPU to repair and customer said there is power but no display. Let's try. I have plugged in the power, then turn on. We have power but no display. Yeah, in the monitor there is no display. Yeah, let's try how to fix it. Then second step, we'll remove the power cable from hard disk to save the Windows. Third step, in motherboard, if you have built-in speaker, then no need to fix. If you don't have built-in, then you have to put it speaker, so we can identify the what is the problem. So now I'll remove the RAM, then I'll try turn on. So if CPU is okay, then it will be long beep for RAM. Turn on. It's same things, there is no long beep, so there is no RAM. So for RAM it should be long beep for RAM, so there is no beep. We have to get the RAM beep, RAM long beep, because there is no RAM. So after that we'll connect the PC debugging card. Then we'll turn on. So there all power are okay. It's there is code is C1, so all power is okay. Then third step, we will remove we have a graphics card here. It's extra the graphics card. We'll remove this. We have removed the graphics card. Then we'll turn on. Yeah, we have RAM beep. Now can you hear? We have RAM beep. Long beep, so it's for RAM, and code is E0 for RAM. So let's try we fix a RAM. So I fixed the RAM, then turn on. Yeah, we have short beep. So we have short beep, so that means there is a display. Yeah, our display has come, alhamdulillah. So it was problem our graphics card. Now we have to change, or without graphics card also we can use, but problem was our graphics card, so there is display. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.